Do you feel safer today than you did 4 years ago?
I'm a lifelong resident of Cook County. I've stayed in Cook County my whole life.
How about 10 or 20 years ago?
And my main concern about the violence in Cook County is that we don't have a heightened presence of police officers.
Is this acceptable to you? It's not to me.
I grew up here. I was born and raised, and things were bad, were quite bad. It's gotten worse. Now I'm a mom, and the things that my children worry about every day, I didn't have to worry about that 20 years ago.
I have yet to see improvements in my neighborhood, and I'm longing for a change because we suffering in the community.
I can tell you what I'm mostly concerned about in Cook County is the violence with the gangs situation.
I see Jody Weiss and Tom Dart on TV, but I never see them in the communities where the violence is happening at.
No one cares about what's going on our corners, on our streets. The violence is increasing. Children are getting shot every single day, and it scares me.
The result of empty promises and political rhetoric.
Got a whole lot of promises from a whole lot of people, but it seemed that they never seem to deliver.
If the Cook County officers could just enforce more law, I know there's a shortage of manpower, but maybe they can join forces with the city of Chicago.
I think we need a strong sheriff in that role because without proper leadership, I think matters would get worse.
Are you as angry as I am? You should be.
I don't even know who Tom Dart is. I could not pick him out in a lineup.
40 years of empty promises.
This should not be tolerated.
The violence situation didn't change.
When I seen Darian Albert, a young man from Finger High School, being beat with 2x4s right down the street from the police station, and no one did anything about it.
I have to say, I have never seen or spoken with a Cook County Sheriff police officer.
I'm Frederick Collins, and together, we will right the wrong.
Averted being involved in a drive-by shooting just yesterday.
I think it's time for a difference, and I really think that voting in or electing Frederick Collins for Cook County Sheriff will make that difference. I know he's a parent like myself, and he comes across as a public servant, not a politician, and that means a lot to me.
Because every parent deserves the right to raise their child in a safe environment.